Welcome, welcome back with another video. Today I will be talking about the black box. As you know, the black box color is orange. So in the aircraft, there is a flight recorders are an invaluable tools for investigator in identifying the factors behind an accident. Recorders usually comprise two invisible boxes, the CVR and FDR, popularly known as black box. These flight recordings are in fact painted orange to help in their recovery following an accident. CVR, better named as cockpit audio recorder, as it provides far more than just the voice of the pilot. In fact, it creates a record of total audio environment in the cockpit. This includes crew conversation, radio transmission, engine noise, and oil warning and airflow noise. On the other side, flight data recorders (FDR). It records pressure, altitude, indicated airspeed, magnetic heading, and normal acceleration and microphone key. So that's all about the black box. I'm sure that you like the video. Please like, share, subscribe, and do press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.